we feet fill up. The guy is coming to that space.
He hear bulldog in comments now we say,
oh, what? You say, look
the stadium.
Look, ye men of little faith.
Book the stadium.
Book the stadium. Let me teach Ghanaians something small. Wait. If this thing, if the guy fill the stadium,
He go fill him.
Because we believe that he may not come alone. He's going to bring some Nigerian acts, box some Ghanaian acts, and definitely he may be the first foreigner to fill our stadium right here in Ghana. I just hope that the likes of Sako, Shatawale, and stuff are all on the bill, so that we can all claim that we fill the stadium together. That one go be good. We all did it together. But if you go allow him alone,
he go fill him.
But if he be here alone, it be the issue.
No, if he be see, you see, I touched on this thing a couple of days back after our team making comments, and what are they talk we say? No, it was in connection with Kofi Dixon.
Yeah,
Mr. Kofi Dixon.
Yeah.
So it be two things. There could be no show, or there could be a packed show. So all be about promotion. If Wizkid, I believe say that people where they handle this thing, they understand promotion. So if they promote it well, because we've seen Wizkid, he's filled bigger places than Accra Sports Stadium. So if that done
very quick.
Get it done.
My people, all right. So Wizkid is on your Facebook page right about now. That's if you're on hits, and you can tell that he's exuding some confidence. In our post time on the 10th of December. Hey, Umpire Ebidra. Yeah, Umpire Ebidra. All right, so I don't know whether this is good news to you. I don't know. So people just tell me, is it good news? Would it be an interesting feeling for a foreigner to fill our stadium for the first time? Would it help us to also try as much as possible to live up to that expectation? Is it going to prop us up to do what is being done internationally in terms of promotion, as Mekiko is putting it? Because clearly I know he's going to employ some kind of promotional strategy to make sure that the stadium is filled.
The strategy is even working already.
We are talking about it. Yeah. All right, so people, that one with the take sweep the road inside. Now, another one with take sweep the road inside, it be very